Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to protect the cameras on your Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So the way we're going to protect it is by installing a glass lens protector for our camera. So more or less a glass screen protector for the camera. And so if you guys are interested in this, we will leave links for it down in the description area. And this is from a company called Razari. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And this is a 3-pack, which is very nice. So in case you break one or lose one, you have 2 others. Now this is high definition, ultra thin, anti-scratch resistant. So we're going to set that there for a second. So for demonstration purposes, we're using our Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we have our Note 10 Plus in one of my favorite cases by a company called Tandem. And it has 360 protection. As you can see, it has a front cover here and it has a back cover. And as you can see, the back cover is clear, so you can show off your device. Now, another good thing about our glass lens protector is that it's case friendly and it will work really well with our Tandem case. It's going to fit right into that cutout perfectly. Okay, so we're going to grab our package here and open it up and see what we have inside. And of course, what we said earlier is this is a 3-pack. So we should have 3 glass screen protectors inside here. So we're going to open up and see what all the contents is inside this pack. And so what we have right off is we have our wet and dry wipes. We got 3 of those, of course. And then we have our screen protectors here. We have 1, 2, and 3. Set that there. And of course we have our guide stickers and dust stickers, dust remover stickers. So we're going to set that there. So okay, we are ready to install our glass lens over our camera. So the first thing we need to do is grab our wipes, and we want to go over here and wipe off the camera really well. And now we're going to grab the dry wipe to dry it off. So after we got it dried off, then we're going to take our dust absorber or dust sticker absorber to touch it up to make sure we got any dust particles off. After we do that, then we're going to go over and grab our camera lens, which when we take it out the pack looks like this. You can see it has like a little adhesive thing over the top of it, and this is actually the lens on that black piece there, as you can see raised up. We're going to do that. We're going to pull that off, and we're going to bend it on this side too to get that to come up just a little bit also. So on both sides, get it to come pretty much so up. Then we're going to take our stickers and put it on one side of it like so. And then we're going to lay it in there on the camera lens. We're going to take our wet wipe again and wipe over it and press down to make sure it's down. And then take our dry wipe and wipe over it also. So we have just installed our new camera lens over our camera on our Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So there it is. So that's about it for our video for today. How to protect the cameras on your Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. Again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.